Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily buy UniSwap coin. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down into the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get here on Binance, and if you're gonna click on the link, you will get 5% off as a kickback rate from the fees. So you can save money buying UniSwap and other coins. When you're gonna create an account, I'm going to show a simple way how you can buy the UniSwap. So I come here to all, and I just write uni in a search, and you can buy Bitcoin, USDT. I click here on a trade. Then in search, you can write again uni. And now you're gonna see on the left side uni and BTC UniSwap. And right here, you can go with a buy uni. So price is this, and you can change the amount that we want to buy. Let's say 100. And then you simply buy it, right? So that's pretty much it how you do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be happy to help you. And yep, goodbye.